Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I want to apologize about my last root beer video. I'm not sure what went crazily wrong with my camera, but I'm at a weird angle. But we're going to do another one of the root beers I picked up from Jungle Jim's when I was there Saturday. This one is from Oak Creek Barrel Aged Soda. This is blonde barrel aged root beer. 25% brown sugar, 75% real sugar. Really cool deal there. Has a really weird kind of like Corona color to it. So far, the one thing I've noticed that I do not like, it just has a simple top on it. The Fireman Brew from earlier had a really cool top. That one not so much. Let's check out the dates on these. Let's just kind of be a nosy. This one, Best Buy by June 7th of 2020, I guess. They only use a two-digit code. Not sure I really like that one. It's a little bitter. Not really digging that one. Kind of tastes like a flat cream soda. Doesn't have the root beer smell to it. Let's check out this ingredients list. Water, sugar, brown sugar, natural flavor, caramel coloring, preservatives, acids, and a bunch of crap. And their website, by the way, before I forget, is oakcreekbarreledagedsodas.com. It's caffeine free, which I think basically every root beer is caffeine free. But is there anything crazy? Gluten free. Everything's gluten free now. Nobody was allergic to gluten until some dude in California came up with the word gluten. Now, I'm going to have to say, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 3. I was hoping that... Still got fizz, so it shouldn't be flat, but it just has no root beer flavor. They had a bunch of other drinks there. I'm kind of glad I didn't get any of those because this one definitely doesn't have very good flavor. So if you represent this company, the good old Oak Creek Barrel Aged Soda Company, I would love to hear from you. Maybe I got a bad batch. Not really sure, but not digging it. So guys, watch my videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Have a great night.